Hey, working with Anthony is absolutely amazing. I mean, it's completely different from any other experience I had with any other coach. He's so friendly and so precise. He could actually be your best friend, okay? But then he helps you gain clarity in your head. I mean, my head is goes about 1,000 miles every single hour, and he in the first hour he just helped me clear out everything that I had to say and helped me come with the solution and just figure out what I was looking for, and it is absolutely brilliant. I mean, it gives me clear vision, and but he doesn't do it in the way that he tells me what it is. He just makes me think about it and is like a big brainstorm, and then I come up with the answers myself. So it's completely different from just a coach that just tells you, oh yeah, this is what it is and this is how it's going to be like. He figures out exactly who you are, and he helps people just find their unique voice and um, the things that we don't see ourselves. He just let us dig a little bit deeper so then we can actually find it within ourselves. I absolutely adore him. We've worked a bit together, and after an hour, I couldn't just stop saying, "Okay, now you need to be with me every single step of the way," because he's absolutely brilliant. Um, so, piece of advice, okay, if you are actually looking to just work with him and you're in doubts, go for it. Absolutely go for it because he will change your life. He will help you, he will motivate you. He's an absolutely brilliant motivator. Okay, when you don't know what to do, he's over there, will hold your hand and just take you to the right path. So absolutely 100% go with Anthony.